His garden is growing. Yee. No, I'm just excited.
Yeah, this is our first purchase yet.
Yeah, that's true. And a mini.
Move this piece of shit.
Keeper, that's a family heirloom.
Yeah, I know.
Oh my gosh. Oh, so nice. Kev?
Sure.
Let's turn that a little.
Yeah, just now we play, okay?
It's so beautiful. Wow.
Sure.
Should we put it more angle this way or what do you think?
You play, love. I'm gonna get back to it, but I'm really stoked. That's beautiful, hey?
That is stunning. Does it fit? The big reveal.
Let's see.
Oh my gosh! It's like a wow, that's crazy, huh? Oh, nice! What? Is this staying, okay? A clean kitchen, Maggie.
Yes.
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. I just wanted to do a bit of a catch-up video. Here goes Betty. Okay. But yeah, so basically I have moved into a new spot with my boyfriend Keith. Yeah, a lot has changed since I've kind of been on YouTube and making videos. I worked at a school, special needs school, for a while. Yeah, really tough year, but yeah, a lot happened last year, goodness gracious. So yeah, there was a lot going on in my life personally, so yeah, I didn't feel like I was in the space to be creating like this. But yeah, things have definitely come around. I am back at studies again, so I am studying to be an art therapist. I'm doing my honors. This is a big dream since I worked at Live Village in 2020. orphanage in KZN. I taught art there, and it's been a whole journey to sort of get to this place. Yeah, really kind of very surreal, still taking in trying to get into studies, as I have not done it in a long time, and my brain is not an academic kind of I've never done the writing and stuff like that. I'm really enjoying the practical side of my course, and I'm enjoying the theory and things like that, but I'm definitely taking it slow, trying to get into that and learn those new skills again. I'm also working as a yoga instructor, and I do admin at my gym at the moment, so that's how I'm balancing varsity yoga. I do it like 2 days a week, and then at gym I work 3 days a week. So yeah, that's kind of what my life is looking like now. I'm very excited to just be here, and I have a base. I feel a lot more settled this year, as I was living outside of the house, and it was just really hard. But yeah, super excited to be doing these kind of project videos again, and I love this renovation, whatever, DIY kind of things. So I'm very excited to be taking you guys along, and just getting back into this creative process, and this outlet is just so nice, because I think now studying my degree, it's just really reminded me of how much art is super important to me as a person, and I really enjoy making these kind of films too. So super pumped. Really feel like I'm in a much better space this year, and I hope that you guys enjoy this content. I'm really keen to even just see like how it all comes together, and the time lapses and things like that. I really enjoy. Hope you have a great week. There's a little bit of where I'm at now. Lots has changed, but I'm excited to just take you guys along in this kind of aspect of my life. Also starting a freaking yoga apparel, so that's exciting. That's something I've been doing this year. It's going to be launching very soon. It's called Kez Yoga Apparel, so I'm very excited. Long time project. I've been wanting to do this for so many years, so I finally made one top, and I'm going to start bringing in more products to my little store. It's just crazy. I'm very excited for that, and to see how it all comes to be. Maybe I can show that some other time. Lots of love, and I hope you guys have a great week. Lots of love from Penny also.